You can now add and edit Google Calendar events directly from your DAKboard touchscreen. This works with both a touchscreen and a connected USB mouse. Here's how to set it up and start using it. As you get started, make sure you have a Google authenticated account linked to your DAKboard. Go to your custom screen editor and open your calendar block. Click the pencil icon next to the Google Calendar you want to edit. It can be found next to the color wheel. A Google Permissions window will open. Select your account, then click Continue and Allow to grant editing access. Once done, close the Authentication tab and return to the Calendar block editor. Now click the pencil icon next to each calendar you want to enable for editing. Note that all calendars linked to this Google account can now be edited from your DAKboard. Now to add a new event, go to your DAKboard and locate your calendar and tap the plus icon in the lower right corner. When you hover over it, select Add Event to open the Event Entry tool. Now you can fill in the event details, some of which includes the following. You can assign which Google Calendar to add the event to, give your event a name, set when the event begins and ends, enter a location if applicable, and you can add any extra details in the description. Click Save, and your event will now appear in your Google Calendar and on your DAKboard display. You can also modify or delete an existing event. Tap on the event directly from your calendar to do this.